So I'm really happy to be here tonight with Staj, doing a cocktail dinner pairing with some of our Irish whiskies and our botanical gins. These will pair really delicious with the food. Our botanical gins, all the botanicals are freshly hand foraged in the Glendalough Mountains in Ireland. And then we've got 3 great whiskies here tonight as well. We have our historic pot still whiskey. We have our Glendalough Double Barrel, which is finished in ex-American bourbon barrels and Oloroso sherry casks from Montilla in Spain. And then we have one of our newer releases, a barefaced Canadian whiskey, which is elementally aged up in Canada as well.
Doing dinner like this is a lot of fun since we get to play with gin or any sort of spirit and kind of combine it with the food piece of it. So each course is paired with something which either complements or goes really well with the gin or the whiskey portfolio these guys have. Bootleg usually just selects different ingredients, different fruits, different botanicals. We kind of come up with a food piece for it. We'll go with different protein, different aromatics, which kind of get together, and the results are outstanding.
Tonight I'm honored to be here with Glendalough Distillery, Chef Pushcart. We're going to be doing a second edition of our cocktail cuisine fusion. We're going to be playing with Glendalough Botanical, Glendalough Pink, Glendalough Pot Still, Glendalough Double Barrel, and Barefaced Canadian Whiskey. This is probably my most favorite thing to do. We get to play with different local spices and fruits and herbs.
We love doing stuff like this. This is a true testament to our creativity and innovative cuisine and different drinks. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.